The greater coucal, also known as the crow pheasant, is a large bird belonging to the cuckoo family. Here's an overview of the greater coucal. Appearance. Size. The greater coucal is a relatively large bird, measuring about 48 to 51 centimeters, 19 to 20 inches, in length. Coloration. It has a predominantly black body with a rich chestnut-brown wings and back. The head and nape are black, and the eyes are ruby red. Tail. One of its distinctive features is its long, broad tail with white terminal bands. The tail is often carried in a raised position. Habitat. Range. The greater coucal is found in a wide range of habitats, including grasslands, open forests, and agricultural areas. Geographic distribution. Its range extends from South Asia through Southeast Asia to parts of Australia. Behavior and diet. Foraging. These birds are ground dwellers and are often seen foraging on the forest floor. They have a distinctive slow and deliberate gait. Diet. Their diet consists of a variety of items, including insects, small vertebrates, fruits, and seeds. Voice. The greater coucal is known for its deep, resonant calls, often described as a series of loud, deep, and rhythmic doop-poop sounds. Reproduction. Nesting. They build a large, untidy nest made of twigs and leaves in dense vegetation, often close to water. Eggs. The female typically lays a clutch of 3 to 5 eggs, which are incubated for about 15 to 17 days. Conservation status. The greater coucal is generally considered a species of least concern, as it has a wide distribution and is adaptable to various habitats. Interesting facts. Mating display. During courtship, the male performs a display that involves puffing up its body, spreading its wings, and making a series of calls to attract a mate. Nocturnal habits. While primarily diurnal, greater coucals are known to be active during the early morning and late evening, displaying some nocturnal behavior. Role and folklore. In some cultures, the greater coucal is associated with superstitions and is believed to be a harbinger of both good and bad omens. Conclusion. The greater coucal is a charismatic bird with distinctive features and behaviors. Its adaptability to various environments and its interesting vocalizations make it a noteworthy species for bird enthusiasts and nature lovers. Whether observed in its natural habitat or heard from a distance, the greater coucal contributes to the rich biodiversity of the regions it inhabits.